We want to state the exact value of the sine of minus 60 degrees. If we draw a cast diagram, we know that minus 60 is a clockwise rotation from 0, so that would mean that minus 60 degrees would be 60 degrees here, in the C quadrant, and therefore the sign is negative. The sine of minus 60 degrees is therefore going to be equal to minus the sine of 60 degrees, the minus because we're in the C quadrant, and 60 degrees because we can see on the cast diagram that the 60 is our associated acute angle to the x-axis, and therefore we get minus root 3 over 2. Now for the cosine of 420 degrees. 420 degrees is more than a full 360 degree rotation. If we draw our cast diagram, 420 will be all the way around and then an extra 60 degrees. So we can see the associated acute angle is 60 degrees. We're in the A quadrant, so the cosine is positive, so the cosine of 420 degrees is equal to the cosine of 60 degrees, which is a half. For the tangent of minus 120 degrees, we once again draw a cast diagram, and then we need to locate the angle on the diagram. A minus angle means a clockwise rotation from 0, and so minus 120 will be just here, 30 more than 90. The associated acute angle is the 60 degree angle shown. We're in the T quadrant, which means, of course, that the tangent is positive. So the tan of minus 120 would be equal to the tan of 60, and we know that this is root 3.